Welcome, it's From the Bottle, and I'm Chef Jen. I show you some fun and easy recipes to use your doTERRA essential oils in the kitchen. I'm making a citrus marinade for my chicken, which I'm gonna grill later, and I'll show you one way that I like to serve it. But first, please like and subscribe my channel, Oily Chef, for more of these videos. And click the bell if you wanna be notified every time I post a new one. Now stick around to the end of this video because I have some surprising health benefits other than cooking for these little bottles. All right, are you ready for a summer marinade that is gonna make your chicken juicy and delicious? All right, let's go.
Oils are cold pressed from the rind of citrus fruits. Generally, it'll say the zest in your recipe. A general conversion you can use is 3 drops of essential oil to 1 teaspoon of zest. Now this marinade will be salty because we actually want it to penetrate the meat and brine the chicken all the way through to the center.
Now you can use this chicken in anything. Chop it up for a salad, slice it for fajitas, or glaze it in barbecue sauce while it's on the grill, and you've got a great summer barbecue edition. Now not only are citrus oils some of my favorites for flavoring food in the kitchen, these little bottles actually have some surprising health benefits. 1 drop of lemon oil in your water throughout the day is gonna help detox your kidneys and your liver. And take 1 drop and rub it right over the bridge of your nose, and that's gonna help relieve runny noses. Gargling with lime oil helps with sore throats, and you can rub a drop on your chest if you have chest congestion. Inhaling wild orange, which I call the happy oil, actually helps boost your productivity, your creativity, your concentration and focus, but it also helps relax you, so it's gonna lead to better sleep. A few drops of grapefruit oil in a capsule can actually help with symptoms of hangover and jet lag. And you can add it to your skincare routine to help balance and manage acne breakouts. Now, if you have concerns or have warnings on your medications about grapefruit interactions, just know that essential oils come from the peel and they do not have the same chemical composition or the proteins in the juice that cause a lot of the allergic and adverse reactions. If you're concerned, please talk to your doctor about this, but generally they are safe and cause very few interactions. And another safety tip for citrus oils, if you're using them topically on your skin, just make sure that that part of your skin is not going to be exposed to the sun for 12 to 24 hours. If you're interested in getting these oils, check out the link in my description below for these and my list of favorite cooking oils. From the bottle.